What's up coders, welcome back. Visual Studio Code is clearly a winner. More and more languages are being supported on it, and even Microsoft Copilot can work seamlessly on Visual Studio Code. In this video we'll see how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows. Let's start. To install Visual Studio Code on your Windows, first step is go to Google and type VS Code, and the very first link here we see is from Visual Studio Code itself. Make sure you click on the authentic link. Then there are two options here. You can either go to download and select the required build, or you can directly click here download for Windows and it will download the required installer for your operating system. Once it is downloaded, just open the folder and double click on it. Here it is asking for the installation directory. I would say keep it default if you don't need to change it. Select this checkbox if you want to create a desktop icon for Visual Studio Code. And then this checkbox is important. It will make sure all the .code files are by default opened in the Visual Studio Code. And the last one is to make sure you have the Visual Studio Code installation directory path saved in your environment variable. So that will make sure you are able to access Visual Studio Code from any directory on shell or command prompt. And then finally click on install. While it is installing, here is one more golden opportunity for you to subscribe to this channel. Do it because we would like it. Click on finish. And you are ready to go. If this video helped you, hit that like button. That will help this video reach more engineers. Also consider subscribing to this channel because more Visual Studio Code tutorials are coming on this channel. Thank you for watching.